Welcome to another episode of Naomi's Compass. This episode is about a place called Grand Macabou in Martinique, which is a place we drove from a city called Saint Anne.
We just got the car for 2 days and we are going for a trip.
We went for a road trip one afternoon without any specific destination. The only thing we wished for was a nice walk in the nature. We somehow followed the signs and ended up in Grand Macabou.
I'm gonna go check it out. So we're right here, gonna get along the coast. That's exactly what we tried to do. We enter the yellow path.
Not knowing what to expect, we walked from the parking lot towards the water. We were instantly amazed by the picturesque scenery, and we knew we needed to come back here with a drone to take clips from the bird's eye view. If you like this video, please hit the like button so that more people will know about this beautiful place in Martinique. Without any further ado, let's begin. Grand Macabou is located in the south part of Martinique and is known for a deserted tropical paradise. This hiking trail is actually really long. You can go all the way to Saint Anne if you follow along the trail. We just enjoy the area you can see in the picture. By the way, we had a fantastic time in Saint-Pierre in Martinique. If you haven't watched the episode, please check it out.
Caribbean islands and the trade winds. Look at this. These islands are shaped by the one direction of the wind that blows for 90% of the time only one way, and it shapes the coastline into something totally different. You have this windward side that is beaten by waves and practically hostile to any civilization. And in the history, probably only 100 years ago, when the sailboats had no engines, this was the absolute disaster and the scariest part of the island, because anything went wrong, anything, it leads into a disaster, and the boats were blown against the cliffs by wind helplessly down. Many people might survive because this is right on the coastline. But definitely it leads to a lot of disasters of the boat. On the other side of the island, there is a nice protected shelter on the leeward side. When the wind blows over the island and shaping practically nice quiet bays full of sandy beaches, very pleasant for anchoring.
At this point, we had to take off our shoes. It felt so great. We were surrounded by beautiful nature, crystal clear water, fine white sand, coconut trees, just to name a few. It was as if we were lost in paradise.
We spent all afternoon on this beautiful coast. I went out for a swim, and once I came out of the water, I just see in the sand this blown out Portuguese manowar. It is Medusa you don't want to be touched by in the water. Stay away of blue bubbles. We are one of these that left the boat on the leeward in a nice quiet bay, well protected, and just took a car to go see this beautiful untouched side of our windward side.
We have been to many hiking trails, but we can say that it was definitely one of the most memorable experiences. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. We'd love to receive your comments as well. Thanks for watching. See you soon.